So did you hear the latest news about the Department of Homeland Security?
No. What happened?
They have seized at least 70 websites that have been linked to illegal file sharing and counterfeit goods.
That sounds like a good thing. Piracy of software, movies, and music ultimately hurts all of us.
Are you even curious why the DHS was the federal body that did this?
Now that you mention it, maybe a little. I thought the charter of the Department of Homeland Security was to make the United States, our homeland, more secure from terrorists.
I did too. I suspect that it is because the Department of Homeland Security is not answerable to the rule of law to the same degree that the FBI is. Do you know the basis by which they seized those websites?
No, but I'm sure you are going to tell me.
The seizures came after a Senate committee unanimously approved a controversial proposal earlier this month that would allow the government to pull the plug on websites accused of aiding piracy.
Unanimous approval by the Senate is hard to achieve. It must have been important for them to unanimously approve this proposal.
It was not unanimous approval from the Senate. Only a few members of a specific committee.
Still, that sounds like a good thing. Piracy of movies, audio and software hurts us all in the long run.
These seizures were not made after the sites were convicted of piracy. They have only been accused.
That is okay. They would not have seized the sites if they did not already know they were guilty of aiding piracy.
But the owners of the sites were not given the opportunity to defend themselves. Yet the government came in and seized the domains which was their property.
This is in direct conflict with our Constitution. Our Bill of Rights protects us from unreasonable search and seizure, correct?
Yes. Exactly.
And the 14th Amendment provides us all due process under the law, correct?
Yes.
So how is the Department of Homeland Security able to do this?
The Department of Homeland Security seems to fall into a different category when it comes to our basic constitutional rights. As you may recall, the TSA is part of the Department of Homeland Security.
Another group that seems to be stepping on our constitutional rights.
You may also recall the controversy that arose when the Patriot Act was approved. This seems to be one of the laws that was put into place that directly encourages the DHS to set aside our constitutional rights.
So the DHS is responsible for the TSA forcing us to go through searches that are in clear violation of our Fourth Amendment rights?
Yes.
And the DHS is responsible for seizing others' property without due process in clear violation of our Fourth and 14th Amendment rights?
Yes.
That's okay, I still feel safer with them leading the charge. All of that legal stuff was probably getting in the way, anyway.
You just don't get it.